Our weekly immigration news roundup is brought to you by the law firm of Figueroa & Associates. For consultation on any immigration or legal matter, please call 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. For full stories and more immigration news, visit www.theimmigrantsjournal.com. That's www.theimmigrantsjournal.com.
Hello, my name is Mary Campbell, legal assistant at the law firm of Figueroa & Associates, and your presenter with this week's immigration news. Federal judge to hear challenge against Trump administration's rollback of Haiti TPS. A federal judge will hear oral arguments Wednesday, May 28, in a high-stakes lawsuit challenging the Trump administration's decision to cut short the temporary protected status, TPS, of over 500,000 Haitians legally residing in the United States. The lawsuit, Haitian Evangelical Clergy Association v. Trump, was filed in March after Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem reversed the Biden administration's 2023 extension of Haiti's TPS through February 2026. Instead, Noem set the program's termination date for August 3. A decision that advocates say could leave 521,000 Haitians vulnerable to deportation and family separation. The plaintiffs, which include the Haitian Evangelical Clergy Association, the labor union SEIU Local 32BJ, and 9 Haitian TPS recipients, are asking U.S. District Judge Brian Cogan of the Eastern District of New York to block the termination. Many of the plaintiffs are parents of U.S.-born children and argue the administration's actions are both unlawful and discriminatory. The law requires good faith, evidence-based analysis for any changes to Haiti's status, and that standard has not been met, said 32BJ SEIU President Manny Pastreach. If the government gets its way, hundreds of thousands of Haitian TPS holders who have made lives, raised families, and launched careers in the United States could be exposed to deportation on August 3. This is unconscionable. TPS, a humanitarian immigration program, grants temporary legal status and work authorization to nationals from countries facing crises such as natural disasters, armed conflict, or political instability. Haiti's designation stems from the 2010 earthquake and has been repeatedly renewed due to the country's ongoing humanitarian emergencies. Critics of the rollback say the Trump administration acted without the statutorily required review of country conditions and was motivated by racial animus, an allegation supported by past inflammatory statements Trump has made about Haitians and other non-white immigrants. The cruelty and inhumanity of President Trump is incomprehensible, said Paul Christian Namphy, political director of the Family Action Network movement. He knows that conditions in Haiti aren't safe for anyone. Indeed, the current crisis in Haiti is staggering. The capital, Port-au-Prince, is largely controlled by violent gangs, and the country has been without elected leaders since 2023. According to the United Nations, more than 1 million Haitians are internally displaced, and nearly half the population faces food insecurity. Despite this, deportations continue. Multiple immigration and customs enforcement flights have already landed in Haiti this year, and more are scheduled. The neighboring Dominican Republic has also ramped up deportations, repatriating thousands across the border. Miami immigration attorney Ira Kurzban, co-counsel on the case, emphasized that this is not the first time Trump has tried to end Haiti's TPS, and not the first time courts have stepped in. President Trump wrongly tried to end TPS for Haitians in 2017 through a process which the court found to be unconstitutionally racist. Kurzban said, he now wants to forcibly return 500,000 Haitians who are here legally to horribly unsafe and violent conditions. On the campaign trail, Trump and running mate J.D. Vance have leaned into xenophobic rhetoric, falsely accusing Haitian immigrants in Springfield, Ohio, of eating neighbors' pets, remarks widely condemned as racist and inflammatory. The rollback of TPS is just the latest in a series of racist, unjustified, illegal, and un-American attacks, said Brian Concanon, executive director of the Institute for Justice and Democracy in Haiti. The court stood up to President Trump when he ran the same play in 2017, and they should do so again. With the August 3 deadline looming, Wednesday's hearing could determine whether tens of thousands of Haitian families remain intact or are thrust into chaos.
Our weekly immigration news roundup is brought to you by the law firm of Figueroa & Associates. For consultation on any immigration or legal matter, please call 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. For full stories and more immigration news, visit www.theimmigrantsjournal.com. That's www.theimmigrantsjournal.com.